We all know that when it comes to wellness, every system in the body is interconnected. Life makes it hard to find the balance we need. When we're stressed, it can affect our sleep. When we're tired and feeling run down, our immune health may need support. Until we find that balance again, our wellness cycle can be thrown off. Introducing Nature-Made Wellblends, a complete line of targeted supplement blends with your life's needs in mind. With a range of science-backed blends to support your nighttime needs, daily stress management needs, and to upgrade your immune health routine, so you can finally find the balance you're looking for. Balance your wellness cycle with Nature-Made Wellblends.